Wakar Ali, who lives in the slums of Meerut, has made an electric bike which can run with a top speed of 150 km per hour and can cover a range of 100 km on a single charge. The bike costs only 20 rupees for a full charge to run 100 kilometers of range. Wakar Ali spends 72,000 rupees to make this electric bike. Coming to the name of this electric bike, Wakar Ali is highly inspired by India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his electric mobility dream. So, he named his electric bike as Modi. He also gave a caption to his bike, Modi means Mode of Developing India. Wakar Ali is the topper of Delhi Institute of Engineering and Technology, DITE College. He got a certificate of appreciation from the chairman and dean of academics. The bike parts he used in Modi bike is taken from various sources. The front inverted forks and alloy wheels have been sourced from KTM RC, while the fuel tank has been taken from the Pulsar NS200. Wakar Ali has made the bike with immense hard work, and he used to work on it even in the night when everyone in the family was asleep. He spent almost 2 months to make this electric bike. So let's have a look at the test ride of Modi electric bike.
40, 22, 25, 50, 55, 60, 65, 67, 68, 70, 72, 73, 74.
Let's hope this bike will be available to the masses of India. And this is one more electric bike innovation from Indian youngster. Go green, go electric. Electric Vehicles.in motto is keeping the earth a safer place to live for the next generations. If you want to join our movement, you can support simply subscribing to our channel or sharing our videos or commenting on videos. Thanks for watching.